Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Now it's our science time, and in this science we will be discussing about healthy living. Now, you remember what we discussed in healthy living? We learned about foods, we learned about carbohydrates and proteins and fats and vitamins and minerals. They all keep you strong and healthy. And then we talked about the foods that we should eat more. So what we should be eating more? Carbohydrates and fruits and vegetables. And what we should eat less? That is what? Less of sugar and fats. Very good. Now, and then we also learned about our teeth and why teeth are important. Now, I have some questions for you. You're going to answer these questions. First, why do we need food? Why you think we need food? What is food for? Okay, write the answer. And another question, why are sports and exercise important for us? Why you think playing sports and games is important for us? And what is the importance of clean teeth? Remember we discussed this, why clean teeth are important for us. Write that down. Okay, now you read this whole chapter, you listened to this whole chapter. What new information you got from this chapter? Write that down. Write all the important things you learned from this chapter. Now, one very important activity, and you will have to think for it. What kind of breakfast you have done the whole week? The last 7 days, what was the breakfast you have done? Write down the breakfast things, the foods that you have eaten during your breakfast. Number 1. And then write down in front of each breakfast the food groups that it contained. And you have to think, did my breakfast have carbohydrates? Yes. Proteins? Yes. Vitamins? Yes. Minerals? What else it had? Minerals and fats. So in front of each breakfast, write Monday, and Monday write what you had. If you had paratha and egg with milk, then you write in front of that. So paratha is bread, that is carbohydrates. Egg has proteins, write that down. And milk, that is protein as well and minerals as well. So write that down. So for the whole week, write down the day and the breakfast and the food groups your breakfast contained. And that will show you what kind of breakfast you're doing every day and how you can balance your diet. So, once you write that down, I have a question. Did your breakfast had any vegetables? Did you eat any fruit for your breakfast? Yes or no? And then you try to answer how you can balance your breakfast, and then go and tell that to your mother and request her to add some more foods that can balance your breakfast. Allah Hafiz.